My name is Sutphen. I'm a hip and knee replacement specialist here at the Illinois Bone and Joint Institute. I really base my care on personalized treatments with patients. I look at them as a whole patient. I want to know, is it getting back to golf? Is it getting back to caring for their grandchildren? Is it getting back to walking? My goal for the patient is to have a successful outcome. We always discuss non-operative and operative treatment, where they are and where they want to go. I look at every patient as a single patient because no just one treatment fits every patient. My role as the orthopedic surgeon is the leader of the team. I have great communication with our therapists, our nurses, our administration team, and by doing that, we provide quality and comprehensive care for each and every patient. When patients work with me, I truly treat them as a member of my family, and I really impress upon them that when you're a patient of mine, you're a patient for life. I have patients send me snow skiing pictures, they're hiking mountains out west. Getting patients back to where they want to be, it drives me to be the best surgeon and best physician I can be for them. At the end of the day, my goal is to get you back to your quality life and an active lifestyle.